Hello everyone, welcome back to Yukoi AI channel, the place to share awesome tips and insights about content creation. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any helpful videos. Today, we're going to explore an amazing way to create consistent, professional-looking characters using Leonardo AI. Whether you're a content creator, a game developer, or simply passionate about design, this tool is definitely for you. It's a platform that allows you to create images, characters, and designs using artificial intelligence AI. What makes Leonardo AI special is its ability to maintain consistency in characters without requiring advanced design skills. With Leonardo AI, you don't need to know Photoshop or any complex software. This tool is perfect for artists, game developers, or anyone passionate about creating professional visuals easily. In the previous video, I have instructions on how to register for a free account with Gmail. You can watch my video again and leave the link in the description below. In addition, to access Leonardo AI browser, you can click on the link I put in the description and comments section below. Here, we'll click on image generation to get started. This is where you can create characters or images as you wish. The exciting part is that Leonardo AI provides up to 150 free credits daily, so you can freely create without worrying about costs. And today, I want to show you how to create uniform character images even when we use the free version. Writing a clear prompt is an extremely important step. For example, I will create a strong warrior character, equipped with modern armor and weapons, tall and muscular, living in a city with many alien creatures. Next, after entering the command to create an image, you must choose how to create an image. First, go to Modern to choose the type of image to create. Here I chose the lifelike Vision image type for the last photo. This area will display the modem we have selected. Next, I choose a virtual style for the photo. There are many styles here. I choose 3D for my photo. Then there's contrast and generation mode, which I leave at default. Next, we choose the image size. With Leonardo, the image is created for all platforms from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Very convenient for users. And I choose 16:9 size to create videos to post on YouTube. Next is to choose the number of images to create. For the free version, one photo export will be for photos. If you upgrade to pay, you can choose the required number of photos 1, 2 or 3, one-time photo output. Setting the image creation mode is very important for the quality of your video, so you need to learn this carefully. Now we proceed to let Leonardo export the image according to our request. Image creation time is also quite fast. Let's see the results. Okay guys, the photos are quite good, perfect for our warriors. There are 4 photos here. You can just choose the photo with your favorite character. However, if you don't like it, you can enter text to recreate the photo and choose. Because we are using the free version, we will have 4 photos. However, when you upgrade, you should choose 1 photo so that each time you export a photo, it will be easier to identify the character. Next, we want to create another activity image for the character to have a uniform image. Go to this 3-dot area and copy the seed. Then you select Advanced Setting and paste the card code you just copied into the used fixed seed card to standardly encode the next image creation commands. Next, we continue to create a character image with another action to see how the image output works. Here I create an additional action of a warrior flying into space. Creating the image will take a little time. As you can see, the character image with the new action has many similar characteristics compared to the previous photos. However, you need to choose which photo is appropriate. Next, I want to create a different action for our character and I enter a new command. But remember, the character characteristics in the first paragraph do not change. Here I still keep the code of the original image. To ensure the system can analyze the original image and apply it to the new image and other character activities. And this is the new activity of our warrior landing on the planet. Next, I want our warriors to shoot their guns into the sky, then continue to change the operational orders. And wait and see how it goes. Okay, there is a new photo, and from these photos you can choose for yourself the most similar photos. However, the paid version will definitely be more consistent than the free version, and you should choose to export only one photo. Avoid wasting your allowance. So today I have shown you how to create uniform images for characters using the Leonardo application. When you build an animation channel on many topics, this tool is a great assistant so you can create quite high-quality videos for yourself. Okay, if you find this video valuable, please give me a subscribe, share and like button so I can be motivated to create better content. Goodbye and see you again.